Welcome students. Today I'll be teaching you how to insert new sprites in Scratch Gallery which are not available by default. So if you click on to choose a sprite, you will see different sprites available here. But if you want to insert a new sprite, what we should do? So whole process I'll be explaining you step by step. So now in my first part, I'll just minimize my Scratch program and I'll open my web browser. In this first part, I'll be explaining you how to download new sprite. So I'll be clicking on my web browser. Okay, so it's loading. You can use any web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome and here I'll search TENOR, tenure, and I'll press enter key. This method will work both for mobile or for computer. So you could see here this option is coming, tenure GIF keyboard. Okay, so I'll just click upon this. You could see this tenure.com. This is a space for downloading GIF images, graphic interchange format. Now GIF images are animated images. So I want to download these images to make it as my sprite. I'll type here Shinchan dance as earlier teaser I had made. You could see here different stickers. So here I'll just click on this first one and I'll right click, save image as. It will appear like this. So I'll just download it in my pictures. In mobile you can download anywhere. So I have downloaded some images previously, so I can just delete the previous ones just to show you how to download. And now I can save it here. After this, after downloading the first one, I'll go back and this one, second one, I'll just click this one also and then right click, save image as. Now here in images, pictures, I'll download this also. So I hope you are clear how to download. Now I'll search here Kohli dance. It will take little time. You could see here on the top one sticker is there. I'll click upon this and the same method I'll apply here also. Right click, save image as. You can always use window key plus E, or at the bottom this is my folder, Window Explorer folder. I'll just open it and if I'll go to my images, that means pictures where I have downloaded, where I have given the path, I'll click upon this and you could see here these two images which I have downloaded. These are both GIF images, means animated images. This and this one which I have downloaded. So this I'll be needing when I'll be making my animated video. Now after downloading the images, now again I'll be opening my web browser. Now with fresh search. So now I'll type the same thing, Balle Balle song Shinchan. Under Google I'm finding. So here are the options, and here you could find, because I have downloaded from here, mobcup.net Shinchan Balle Balle Te Shawa Shawa ringtones. So I'll click upon this. Although you can find the song from anywhere, but I have used this site, so I'll just click here. So you could see here the songs I can just play. So it's okay. So I'll just click upon download. It's very simple. So once the song is in front of you, you can find here the option download MP3 for Android. So you can click upon this option, and as you will click, you could find here that it's downloading. I'll right click, show in folder, and it's downloaded. It's downloaded here. Just to make the things easy, what I'll do, I'll cut from here. For cutting it, right click, cut option, and I'll paste it under my music. So plenty of music is there, but I'll just paste it this side. So here is the music Shinchan. So I hope till now you are familiar how to download the music which I need in my program, and how to download the animated images. So my first part explaining to download the images and to download the music is over. Now to start with the program, how to use that. Now as I have explained you the step to download the GIF images, now I'll explain you how to upload the GIF images as a new sprites. So first of all, I'll delete this default sprite, and then at the bottom where it is written choose a sprite, I'll just move on the top upload sprite. As a result, this open dialog box will appear, and now I'll move to the folder where I have already downloaded my sprites. So I have downloaded here in pictures. So I'll just select this pictures, and from here I'll just see these two sprites. So I'll just select the first one. So I'll just select this, and then I click on open. So you will see on the top it was coming import, and here by default this sprite is being loaded, and this is a sprite. So now you have learned how to upload a new sprite which you have earlier downloaded as a GIF image. I'll make the size little smaller. You know very well, from here you can decrease the size. Suppose I'll just say 70. So I hope this is okay. Now I'll move towards the costumes, and you will see here, because GIF image is an animated image, so it has different costumes in this. So for my animation I'll be needing it. I want to change the costumes, so that is okay. Now I have already downloaded one music. So how to add that? You have to see where sound block is. Here it is a sound block. Click on sound, and after clicking on sound, on the top you will see here sounds, and then at the bottom here you will see here choose a sound, and on the top record, but I don't want to record, I want to upload a sound. I'll just click on upload a sound. Then this open dialog box will appear. So earlier I have downloaded one song, so that is available in music folder. I'll click on music folder, and here you could see Shinchan Balle Balle. So this song was there, so I'll just click upon this and I'll click upon open. So you will see here this kind of interface is there. If I'll play it, it's working fine. Little sound is less. Okay, so here there are different options at the bottom. There is one option louder, so I'll just click upon louder. I'll just zoom it to show you. Okay, so I don't want to add the last what he has spoken, Gana Khatam Hua. So I just want to delete that. So what I could do, I'll just select it. I have to just press the left mouse button. After pressing the left mouse button, I'll just move towards the end part, and I'll want to delete the part which I don't need. So I'll just select it, and then I'll click on delete from the top. You could see here. Now only that much part is left which I want to include. So if I click on play here,
Balli balli, tishava shava, balli balli, tishava shava, piyo piyo, tikava kava, balli balli, tishava shava, balli balli, tishava shava, piyo piyo, tikava kava.
It's okay. So now I have to do the coding. So I'll click on code, and now I'll go to events. When clicked, and then I'll go to sound. So just now what the sound I have added or uploaded, you could see this sound. So I can just drag this sound here. So whenever I'll click it, it will start playing.
Balli balli.
So that means it's working. Now again I want to click on events. When clicked, because simultaneously I want to make my Shinchan dance. So I'll just click on repeat, and I want to repeat it 40 times because I have done it earlier, so I know. So whatever the sprite you are taking, you have to see by some dry runs how much loops are needed. So here regarding this image, I know that 40 times is okay for the sprite to dance continuously in this music. So here I'll use the costumes. So here you will find next costume. I'll just use it here, and I have shown you different costumes are there. So whenever it will change, it will appear like it is dancing, and then along with this, if I will play it now, it will move very fast.
Balli balli, tishava shava.
It's moving very fast. With zooming option, I'll show you.
Balli balli.
So it's not appearing well. I have to use wait command in between. So I can click upon control, and here you could see wait command. I can just drag it here and make it to 0.25. Now if I'll run it,
Balli balli, tishava shava, balli balli, tishava shava, piyo piyo, tikava kava, balli balli, tishava shava, balli balli, tishava shava, piyo piyo, tikava kava.
so it seems okay for me. And then I want to add some more moves in this. It seems some incomplete. So what we could do, I can just click on choose a costume, and here you will find upload costume. You can click upon this. Again it is open, and then I have to go to pictures. Here I have downloaded some other GIF image also, this one, and now I want to add the costumes from this image. I can click on open. You could see here different costumes are added. So if I'll run it now, you will see now how it moves.
Balli balli, ti shava shava, balli balli, ti shava shava, piyo piyo, ti kava kava, balli balli, ti shava shava, balli balli, ti shava shava, piyo piyo, ti kava kava.
It's okay, but when it is ending, it's showing the back portion, so I don't want to show that. So from the costume, I'll just select some front portion, and what I'll do here, looks, switch costume to, I'll just select the first one. That bit, when it finishes dancing, it will convert into the first costume. That means where it is facing in front. So this much portion of my program is over, and after completing this, I want to add my another sprite, that was the sprite of a coolie. So to add that, you know the process, how to do that. Choose a sprite, and from here I have to upload the sprite, and here you will find, okay, this one. I'll just add it. It is importing. You could see on the top it's importing. It will take little time, and now you could see it's been imported. So I have to make it little smaller. You know very well size. Let's see 70, is it okay or not? Little more smaller, 60. Okay, so what I want, that when Shinchan finishes the dance, then Mr. Kohli can dance. So just for doing that, what I have to do, I have to add some music also. So just for adding the music for Mr. Kohli, I have to go to sound, and under sound, you know very well, I have to go to sound block on the top, and from here at the bottom choose a sound. So I have not downloaded any sound, so I can use any sound from here. From here I'll just type here dance. So this is okay. I'll add the first one. Okay, I want that automatically when Shinchan starts dance, and when he finishes, then Mr. Kohli should start the dance. So this time I'll be teaching you some new block or new code, that is broadcast. So when my Shinchan finishes the dance here, like here, switch costume, it should broadcast a message. Now what is the broadcast message, that I'll let you know. You could see here broadcast message, so I'll just drag it here. What it means, earlier we have to use the wait command when we are using the two sprites. Just to make the work more easier, I can also broadcast the message. It is a kind of option which secretly broadcasts the message which is received by another sprite. That means interconnecting message between different sprites. So here I'll not use any wait command, so this makes the work more easier. How to use that? Suppose I'll broadcast the messages as new message. I can give a meaningful name like Kohli, Mr. Kohli. Now that means when everything, this this work is finished, at the end it will give broadcast Mr. Kohli. And now I'll move towards my second sprite, Mr. Kohli. And now here I'll not click here when clicked. I'll just start with enter events when I receive. That means when the message is received, Mr. Kohli, what it should do? I could add as repeat. This time I'm using 70. Next costume. Earlier also I have explained about this. Then wait. .15 seconds. Once more I'll use when I receive Mr. Kohli here also. Then I'll play the sound here. Play sound until done means I want to finish the sound. I can use this also. It means when Shin Chan is dancing and when he finishes here, then it will broadcast Mr. Kohli. When this message is broadcasted, this second sprite will receive that message and then it will start its work. Let's see whether it's working or not.
Balli balli, tishava shava.
Now this time Mr. Kohli is not dancing.
Shava piyo piyo, tikava kava. Balli balli, tishava shava. Balli balli, tishava shava. Piyo piyo, tikava kava.
You could see it very clearly. Now Shin Chan had stopped. Mr. Kohli is dancing. But this, I'll stop it. This much adjustment you could do. That means my music is going on and Mr. Kohli has stopped dancing, so that I can increase the repeat loop. Let it be, I'll make it to 90, so I think it can work properly. So, and then I can add the background. That background also, if you need, you can upload a background from the screen, from the image. Suppose this one I am taking, it can take the image like this, or like this you can upload an image. Just for explaining purpose I am telling you, otherwise the backdrops can be taken from here also. Any backdrop I can take, and the basic purpose was to teach you how to work with this, so I hope now it's working.
Balli balli, tishava shava. Balli balli, tishava shava. Piyo piyo, tikava kava. Balli balli, tishava shava. Balli balli, tishava shava. Piyo piyo, tikava kava.
Okay, so I hope my main purpose is clear. Now you have learned how to upload a new sprite and how can you add a music. Even this time I taught you about the broadcast. One thing more I can add in this, that if I want to hide the other sprite, that also I can hide. How to do that? Suppose I'm using this sprite. When the program starts, I can just click upon Mr. Kohli, and in the starting I can add here when clicked, and then I can click on looks, hide. That means whenever the program starts, it will hide. This sprite will be hidden. And when it comes here, when I receive, that time I can click on show. The same way, now if I'll run this now.
Belly belly, the shava shava belly belly, the shava shava pio pio, the kava kava belly belly, the shava belly belly, the shava pio pio, the kava kava.
So I hope this is clear to you, that how you can hide the sprite and how you could bring it back. And even if I want to hide the first sprite, that also I can do, like coming to Shinchan, and after broadcasting I can click on hide here also. So when we run the command,
Belly belly, the shava belly belly,
this will be hidden
the
afterwards.
shava pio pio, the kava kava belly belly, the shava belly belly, the shava pio pio, the kava kava.
So I hope it is clear to you. One thing more I want to do, that whenever now I have to start the program, the Shinchan will not come, so I have to add here also show, then only it will come in the starting.
Belly belly.
So I hope my tutorial is very much clear to you. Still you have any doubts, you can always give a comment and I'll try to fulfill your comments. Whatever your queries are, you can directly ask me, either WhatsApp me. So we'll be eagerly waiting for your comments. You can make your programs or video jokes or something, and you can just send me. I'll be happy to receive your videos based upon some jokes. Okay, bye bye. Wait for my next tutorial.